To see something is also to control something. And nowadays, we're under ice pressure all the time.
Yeah, my name is Robert Sochacki. I'm the artist from Poland.
My name is Wera Morawiec, and we will be preparing the whole event for the 9th of October, together with local artists from here.
We came here in March. Yeah, I was on the square, just on the field, and looking for surrounding. And then the ideas came from, the atmosphere, from the mood of the square.
We will start with the soundscapes, which will be the field recordings from Leipzig city, and it will build some atmosphere. Then from the Leipzig Opera building, we will have a large formatted projection that will consist of the eyes of people who will participate through the application. The eyes will be the central part of this project. So it started already a few months ago. First layer was to catch the past that is forming nowadays. There will be stories told by the witnesses of the events in the '89. We are working with archives and with archival photographs. The core part of Robert's artistic work will be the visuals, so the visual story of families, of people, of life back then in the '89. Always there is a lot of details in Robert's art. They make a nice picture from a distance, but if you come closer and if you really look for the collages, there is usually some hidden secrets around to discover.
You have the chance to be inside the piece of art. You discover my projection, but even at the same time, you will discover the sound, the rhythm of the town.
We would invite everyone to come together to commemorate to the events of the past, but also to feel that what our generations back fought for, it's worth to coming, because it was worth to go out to the streets in the '89, and it's worth to do it again now.